There you go. That's the joint. Go all along the joint. Hello everybody! I haven't seen you guys for so long. Recently I've joined a cookbook club. This month we have selected to cook Julia Child's recipe. So I love making turkey. I found the deboned stuffed turkey from Julia Child's and I'm like, oh my god, I've never deboned anything in my life, and I think it'll be kind of fun, and it's very challenging. So I'm at Shaoqiwan Market here today and I'm going to pick up my frozen turkey. They've already defrosted for me. I'm gonna also pick up a few other ingredients and then I'm gonna go home and give this deboned turkey a try. So come with me, let's go shopping. So this is usually where I go to do my shopping. I love coming to Shaoqiwan because it's just, I can get anything that I want. And I have this one frozen grocery store which I absolutely love getting my frozen meats and even steak. So I would just like to show you. Here it is. I always get my meats here. 唔該，我嚟攞火雞啊。So this is my turkey. 呢個幾多磅啊？16磅到啦。So this 16-pound turkey. So let's see if I can debone this turkey. So and then the recipe calls for half a pound of pork fat. 肥豬肉半磅，或者豬腩肉。I told them to remove the skin, but I'll keep the fat. Then I will need some pine nuts. 唔該，有冇死啦 ？pine nuts 中文叫咩啊？好細粒嗰啲松子，冇松子啊？哦 ，OK。我想問你有冇松子啊？冇啊。你有冇松子啊？買晒啊！你有冇松子啊？冇啊！你冇松子啊？嗬？松子有冇松子啊？係啊，松子。唔識講，係啦，你拿一紮俾我得㗎啦。47蚊，好。All right, so here we are. We got the turkey here. A little nervous. I got all kinds of tools. Let's see. I have a small knife. I don't really have a carving knife, so I have a longer knife, which is actually traditionally a fish knife, and then I have scissors. I have these poultry scissors that I just got, and a small little dinky knife just in case I need to get in there. So let's dig in. I am just going to cut from here down the middle. Slide that knife through the bone. And then slowly cut the meat away from the bone. Ooh, that doesn't seem too bad. As you can see here, half the breast is out, and then we have the other side of the piece of meat here. So like this. Bring it this side where I'm starting to see the rib cage coming out. Let me just take this out from this pan. Oh my god! It's actually not that bad. I thought it would be really difficult. Alright. The rib cage is coming out. Oh, this knife is actually pretty good because it's very long and narrow. Works really well. So I just really cut wherever I see flash against the bone and just go against the bone and slowly cut it out. Oh my god! Ooh, I'm sweating already. Oh, there's the bone drop. Ooh. This side too. The ball joint. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh. Actually, the turkey is so big, it's actually quite easy to do. Like dancing around the turkey. Try not to cut the skin, because the skin is what helps us wrap around the stuffing later. So, okay, don't run away, turkey. Ooh, don't cut the skin. Go ahead. It's a workout and a half. Oh my god, it's so heavy. And then there is another piece of bone. Here. Oh, look at that! Almost. Yay! I've never deboned a chicken, let alone a turkey before. I love making turkey recipe because it's just once a year, I get to cook it and it's really yummy. I get to share it with friends, family, and oh my god, yes! I deboned a turkey! Wow, cool. Oh, so this goes into for soup for the gravy. I think I also need to debone this little bone here. So again, very slowly, knife against the bone. Yes, bone number 1. Yay, bone number 2. Oh, and then it's pretty nose. Yay. So because I have actually 2 dinners and I don't think I can eat a full turkey because it's a smaller party, I decided I'm going just to split it down into half and then somehow find a way to roll it into just 1/2 a turkey per roll. So we now have to season the cavity of the turkey. The recipe says to scar the meat. I think that's what it means. I don't think it means by removing it. So I'm just gonna scar it, season with salt and pepper and cognac. So I have this cognac in my cabinet for like ever. So finally I get to use it. Oh shite! The cork broke. Crap. What am I supposed to do? Oh. It's not working. Alright, I'm just gonna taste it. Oh my god, this is so good. Alright, since I have half a turkey, the recipe requires a 1/4 cup, so it's just really a couple dashes. So we're gonna put that in there. Oh, this is actually really delicious. And that will be nice. I think I got it from my mom's closet. Alright, then I'm gonna do salt and pepper. I'm gonna just massage it. Now I'm gonna let it marinate and do the stuffing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I am going to now stuff it. So I've actually put the stuffing into the refrigerator, or you put it in the freezer to get it to be cold. Once it's cold, the fat and the juices all combine together with the egg to make it a little bit better for you to stuff it. So there you go. I'm going to put it inside the cavity, and then let me gauge if I can close it. Oh yeah, definitely. Julia uses needles and thread. I do not have needles and thread, and I'm not gonna go buy, so I use skewers. So what I would do is I start from one end, stick it in, slowly, do not rip the skin, but the skin is pretty tough. And then twist, and then just pick up the end of the skin, twist it, and puncture, and gather again, twist, puncture. The skin is actually really tough. Okay. Whew. All right. Now I flip it over. Look at that. Not too shabby. I'm quite liking it so far. Very nice. The key to a crispy turkey skin is dryness. Sometimes I used to also let it out, sit outside and let it dry a little bit before I put it in. Now, Julia said to put some butter, rub some butter all over. So I have a block of butter here, and basically give it a little lotioning, rubby duck duck. Now the final finale, be gone. We did it, we did it, we did it. So we're gonna have to bake this, and let's see how it turns out. All right, my dears, moment of truth. Let's cut it down the middle and see what it looks like. Wow.
Ooh.
Yeah, I think that looks really good. Wow. That's it, let's eat. We tested out the recipe. I made half a turkey with the Julia Child original recipe, and I really find the turkey a little bit dry. I probably overcooked it just a little bit because I wanted to reach 165 at least, but actually it was fully cooked. So this time I'm going to use my method as to brine it. So as you can see, I have the pot. I already deboned the turkey, and now I'm actually gonna brine the turkey after I debone it. It's actually really nice because then I only need a small pot instead of a ginormous turkey that I usually brine, which I don't even know where to put it, that kind of situation. So this is kind of handy. So what I do for my brine, which is I highly recommend for any kind of poultry, even pork. I have these peppers, cardamom, cinnamon bark, bay leaves, and actually this is a very, very good time for me to kind of get rid of some old spices in my kitchen and just dunk it into the brine. Get all in. Salt. Then I have a leftover beer. Okay, now my turkey's on a rack. I'm now going to cover it with bacon. This time I went ahead and bought store-bought bacon. It's thinner, but it probably will burn quicker, so I need to watch it a little bit more.
Yeah, pretty much. I get.
So 2 turkey, 3 dinners. I did the half turkey at the beginning, then I did the full turkey brine, also stuffed, and then I actually ate the second half of the turkey like 5 days later after I actually stuffed it. I left it in the refrigerator for 5 days. Kind of like almost like a dry age technique where the skin is completely dry. So out of the 3 turkey, the first one was super dry. Second one brined was still dry, a little bit better. But let me tell you, the third one, I was super surprised. Last night, I just had it. The meat was super juicy, and then the stuffing actually kind of cured into the turkey, and it cuts much better and it holds much better. So I think accidentally I dry aged the turkey and with the stuffing inside, and it turned out absolutely fabulous. Like, everybody loved it. So that will be my take on the recipe. Sometimes it works, sometimes improvising may not work so well, but at the end, it worked out to my favor and everybody was happy. So I am super thankful for this recipe. I had so much fun. Until next time, I'm going to do more challenging recipes, so stay tuned.